All right, hold steady. Scales look clear.
Yes, doctor.
And the weight is exactly 23.5. We'll log that now.
Weeks old, these juvenile crocodiles show distinctive patterns. They are raised here to produce premium hides for luxury fashion houses worldwide.
This one looks ready for harvest.
Optimal belly scale size confirmed.
The belly width meets the specifications. It's ready for harvest. Notice the uniformity on the premium grade. Moving to the grade 2, you see the scales are less regular and the belly pattern is slightly narrower.
As you can see, this scale irregularity means it only qualifies for secondary grade production.
Usable length 225. Confirmed. Grade 1.
This batch seems slightly off colour from the last shipment.
Note it down, but it still passes grade A.
This one meets the specifications. The pattern definition is excellent.
Yeah. Agreed. Move it to the next stage. Check the scale pattern on this one. Yeah.
It's consistent with the grade A standard.
Yeah. We can bundle this set now.
The emerald green is exquisite. Look at the uniformity of the scales.
Confirmed. And the finish on the burgundy is flawless as well.
The chip reader isn't registering this one.
We need an accurate count for the quota verification.
I'm showing 3 untagged in the water pen.
These columns show the harvest numbers, which are currently within the approved annual quota.
That's correct. And these identification records.
Okay, release them gently towards the water.
This program really helps the wild populations thrive.
Right. The absorption rate on this green is inconsistent.
We need to adjust the temperature in vat 3.
For next season, we need this vibrant green front and center.
Agreed. It feels fresh. And this deep sapphire blue.
Yeah. Excellent choice for the evening bags.
Yeah.
Be careful around the edges here. We don't want any bleeding on the metallic finish.
Right, I'll use the smaller brush.
From the farm to the finishing touches, our hands-on approach ensures every piece of crocodile leather meets the highest standards of luxury and craftsmanship.
The stocking density in this enclosure seems compliant with the standards.
I agree. The feeding protocols also appear to be followed correctly.
Witness the complete journey, from our licensed enclosures under the golden sun to the finished luxury handbag.